Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a portfolio website to Blogger. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google, and then when you're on Google, type in www.blogger.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see on the left side of the screen, we have the posts, stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme settings, and reading list. And in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a portfolio website to Blogger. First of all, you need to go and plan your portfolio to determine the purpose of your portfolio. For example, freelance work, showcasing projects. Decide on the sections you want to include. Then collect image descriptions and any other materials. Then, of course, go to Blogger and go into one of your blogs. You can go to themes here on the left side of the screen. And here you can go and find a good portfolio theme that will suit your portfolio. For instance, this one, as you can see. So we have this one or any of these, of course. Then when you're on your, you can go to post, go to your post, and here you can go and write your portfolio and everything about it. So you can put in your, of course, your title. You can change the way where it is actually. You can go and type, have bullet points and everything. Then when you create your portfolio on that, of course, theme, go publish, and you'll have it published. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.